In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a members-only area on your Wix website. If you've been thinking about creating exclusive content for your members, or simply want to enhance privacy on certain pages, setting up a members-only section can be a game changer. Let's dive right in and get started with the step-by-step process. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix website editor. Now, if you haven't opened it yet, simply log into your Wix account and select the website you wish to edit. Once you're in the editor interface, you're set to begin customizing your pages. Look towards the left side of your screen and you'll spot the Pages and Menu option. Clicking on this allows you to view all the pages that make up your website. This is where you can decide which of these pages you want to restrict access to later on in the process. Next, choose the page you want to set as members only. You can easily do this by scanning through your list of pages in the Pages and Menu section and simply clicking on the one you'd like to secure. After clicking the desired page, focus your attention on the 3 vertical dots or ellipses located next to the page name. This is a handy little icon that often holds further customization options. When you click the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear presenting several options to choose from. From this menu, you will want to select Settings. This will open up the settings panel specifically for the chosen page. With the Settings panel open, locate and click on the Permissions tab. This is an essential step because it gives you the power to determine who gets to view the content on this particular page and make it exclusive to your site members. In the Permissions section, you will see an option titled, Who can access this page? Click on it, and you'll be offered several choices regarding access levels. For the purpose of setting up a members-only area, you'll ideally choose the option that specifies site members. Selecting this option ensures that only individuals who are registered or logged in as members on your site can gain access to that page's content. And just like that, you've successfully set up a members-only area on your Wix site. It's a straightforward process, but it plays a pivotal role in how you manage and deliver content to your audience. Whether you're running an online community, offering exclusive resources, or simply want a more controlled content environment, setting the right permissions makes a significant difference. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're all set to start creating exclusive, member-only content on your Wix site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.